Understanding idioms. Go toes up, explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a peculiar phrase in English, go toes up. It might sound a bit quirky, but it's a colorful expression with a clear meaning. So, get ready to add another idiom to your English repertoire. The phrase, go toes up, is an informal way to say that someone has passed away or something has ceased functioning. It's a light-hearted or euphemistic term that softens the blow of the harsh reality it describes. The image it conjures is of someone lying flat on their back, no longer alive, with their toes pointing upwards. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The exact origin of go toes up isn't clear, but it's believed to be derived from the literal observation of a deceased person's position, often lying down with feet elevated. Over time, it has become a part of colloquial speech. Using go toes up appropriately requires a sense of the context and tone. It's typically used in informal settings among friends or in fictional media, and it's not suitable for serious or formal conversations about death. Here's an example of how it might be used. Did you hear about the old fridge at the office? It finally went toes up after 10 years. Like many idioms, go toes up has variations. Some similar expressions include kick the bucket or bite the dust, which can be used interchangeably depending on the context and the desired tone. And that's a wrap on the idiom, go toes up. Whether it's a gadget that stopped working or a light-hearted way to discuss the end of life's journey, this phrase is a colorful addition to your conversational palette. Thanks for joining, and I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the idiom with confidence. See you in the next video.